What's the meaning of conjecture? Conjecture. Conjecture.
Conjecture. Conjecture. Conjecture refers to a conclusion or opinion that is based on incomplete information, assumptions, or guesswork. It is essentially an idea, hypothesis, or theory that has not been proven or verified. Conjectures can be made in various fields, including science, mathematics, and literature. They are often used as a starting point for further exploration or investigation. However, they should not be taken as facts until they have been thoroughly tested and supported with evidence. In summary, conjecture refers to a tentative conclusion that requires additional verification and research before it can be accepted as true.